How to change your Google Maps to walking, driving, cycling, and more. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can change your Google Maps to walking, driving, cycling, and many more options. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, you can open up your Google Maps. Then start with a starting point or an ending point. So let me do that. Let me select our place, tap on directions, and select starting point. So from here you can see, if I swipe this up right now, I can see different options such as driving, train, you can see the public transport option, and also a walking distance. You can find the maps most suitable for each of the options as well. You can also see cycling, and finally you can also find an airplane option. So if you tap on airplane, you should see all the flights connecting to 2 points. And yeah, that's how you can change your Google Map to walking, driving, cycling, and more. And that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.